Every great ad tells a story.
I am Nick, and this is my wife Tanya, and we have a mid-century modern home in Potomac that we've been slowly renovating step by step, and it came time to do some of the bathrooms, and we needed a little assistance because we really just had a blank slate. We were remodeling from scratch, and we needed some help with some ideas.
I'm looking at what you're doing, and I think you're in desperate need of change. And you're just the guy to do it. I am.
We have always liked kind of clean lines and mid-century, but also we love color and some quirks. So they were able to give us two options, one more, and we went with the Mad Men theme, so we had a Don Draper and a Betty Draper, and it was really, really fun and sort of, very thoughtfully put together as two sort of ends of the same option, and it really helped us sort of think through exactly what we wanted, and so we settled on Don Draper, which is a more masculine look, which was then with further sort of discussion and tweaking, we softened with some elements, and so that's how we worked on getting our powder room.
From the beginning, it's been a great experience. We had a call right at the beginning where we talked a little bit about what our general preferences were, sort of what our style was, what we were looking to do with the bathroom, and Tanya put together a vision board and shared it with Deasley, and they kind of took it from there.
What did we want to achieve at the powder room? So we had, when we bought the house, a very 1970s powder room with mirrors and kind of yucky tile everywhere. And we really wanted a vision of just, in an entrance, you get into the powder room and it has an impact of the space and the style and the design of the house. And that's really what we wanted to achieve, was a wow factor. And so clean lines, something that sort of reflects the rest of the sensibility of our style and of our house. So that was our goal for the powder room.
If you don't like what is being said, change the conversation.
Yeah, with our master bathroom, what we wanted to achieve, we had a small, dingy space in the bathroom. It was, designed and built a long time ago, sort of, we would just love to be in. And we had a closet sort of right next to it that was expendable for us. And so we had an ability to expand the space and try to get a little more luxury and something maybe a little bit simpler, maybe fewer colors that that are going to be in our eyes every day, and a place that would just be calming and a place that we would want to be in.
Why a repeat customer? So, I think we had such a great experience with Deasley the first time, and it was very hard to get to feel connected to somebody and to be able to share your vision, and sometimes and without even seeing the space. So it was really it was the accuracy with which our initial vision was replicated in the design gave us a lot of confidence that these people get our style, they're listening to what we're saying, they're not offering us options that we don't want, and they're sort of working within any constraints of space, budget, design, style, and personalities. And so that was a really good experience, and we just wanted to have the same for our next project.
What made Deasley stand out for us was the great fit with our vision. We were able to just provide sort of a general outline of what we wanted, and Ketan and his team were able to deliver just some really compelling creative options that everything was sort of in line with what we were looking for, and we just had always a number of great options, and they were always so so wonderful to work with. Anything that we needed, it was always just a pleasure to reach out and deal with them.
And they've always been available too, right? So if we had any questions, it was very quick response time, very professional, very friendly. Yeah. It was just a good experience.
Yeah, we would absolutely recommend Deasley and Ketan services to others. And all I would say is, just have one conversation with Ketan and his team, and I think you'll be ready to work with them.
Well, gentlemen, I don't think I have to tell you what you just witnessed here.